हेलो फ्रेंड्स। जैसा कि हम लोग पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 वीडियो में माइक्रोबियल डिजीज़ के बारे में डिस्कस किए थे, उसी तरह से इस वीडियो में भी अदर माइक्रोबियल डिजीज़ को कंटिन्यू करते हैं जो कि हमारे बॉडी के अदर ऑर्गन को, अदर सिस्टम को अफेक्ट करते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। माइक्रोबियल डिजीज़ ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, बैक्टीरियल डिजीज़ ऑफ द माउथ, dental caries is caused by primary Streptococcus mutans. Periodontal disease is caused by Porphyromonas species. Bacterial disease of the lower digestive system. Staphylococcal food is caused by Staphylococcus aureus. Poisoning is caused by Salmonella enterica. Sizzalosis, in the sizzalosis, bacillary and dysentery are, and it is caused by Shigella species. Now, typhoid fever. Typhoid fever is caused by Salmonella typhi. Vibrio gastroenteritis is caused by Vibrio cholerae. Vibrio parahemolyticus gastroenteritis is caused by Vibrio parahemolyticus. Vibrio vulnificus gastroenteritis is caused by Vibrio vulnificus. Now, enterotoxigenic E. coli gastroenteritis is caused by E. coli. Invasive E. coli gastroenteritis is caused by also E. coli. Enterohemorrhagic E. coli gastroenteritis is also caused by E. coli. E. coli 0.0157 ratio H7. Now, Campylobacter gastroenteritis is caused by Campylobacter jejuni. Helicobacter peptic ulcer is disease is caused by Helicobacter pylori. Yersinia gastroenteritis is caused by Yersinia enterocolitica. And Clostridium perfringens gastroenteritis is caused by Clostridium perfringens. Now, Bacillus cereus gastroenteritis is caused by Bacillus cereus. Now, viral disease of the digestive system. Mumps is caused by mumps virus. Hepatitis A is caused by hepatitis A virus. Hepatitis B is by B virus. Hepatitis C is by C virus. Hepatitis D is caused by hepatitis D virus. Hepatitis E is caused by hepatitis E virus. Viral gastroenteritis is caused by rotavirus, calicivirus viruses. Now, fungal disease of the digestive system. Ergot poisoning is caused by Claviceps purpurea. Now, protozoan disease of the digestive system. Giardiasis is caused by Giardia lamblia. Cryptosporidiosis is caused by Cryptosporidium parvum. Cryclospora diarrheal is infection is caused by Cryclospora cantonensis. Amoebiasis dysentery. Amoebiasis is caused by Entamoeba histolytica. Now, helminthius disease of the digestive system. Tanniasis is caused by Tania saginata or Tania solidum. Hydatid disease is caused by Diphyllobothrum latum, is also called fish tapeworm. Pinworms is caused by Echinococcus granulosus. Echinococcus granulosus. Now, hookworms is caused by Enterobius vermicularis, Necator americanus. Now, ascariasis is caused by Ascaris lubricoides. Or trichinosis is caused by Trichinella spiralis. Now, microbial disease of the urinary and reproductive system. Bacterial disease of the urinary system. Cystitis is a urinary bladder infection and it is caused by Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus. Now, pyelonephritis is it means kidney infection is caused by E. coli. Leptospirosis it means kidney infection is caused by Leptospira interrogans. Protozoan disease of the reproductive system, and in this trichomoniasis is caused by Trichomonas vaginalis. Now, bacterial disease of the reproductive system. Gonorrhea is caused by Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Non-gonococcal urethritis is caused by Mycoplasma hominis and Ureaplasma. Pelvic inflammatory disease (PID) is caused by N. gonorrhoeae. Syphilis is caused by Treponema pallidum, and cancoid or soft cancre is caused by Haemophilus ducreyi. Bacterial vaginosis is caused by Gardnerella vaginalis. Now, viral disease of the reproductive system. Genital herpes is caused by herpes simplex virus type 1 and type 2. Genital warts is caused by papilloma virus. And fungal disease of the reproductive system. Candidiasis is caused by Candida albicans. सो इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही। हम लोग और भी माइक्रोबायोलॉजी में अदर पॉइंट्स के बारे में अदर वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। सो प्लीज़ डू कमेंट, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड कीप स्टडिंग। थैंक यू।